外雨降ってる。点下げ it means oh my gosh, it is rainy outside. Getting depressed. Okay, today I am going to explain 略して略して So it means for short for short for short phrase becomes to abbreviation. Okay? So next 3 videos I am going to explain some abbreviations in Japanese. So I hope you will enjoy it. 略して So now I am going to explain ふっかる ふっかる is an abbreviation of フットワークが軽い So ふっかる as for literal translation ふっかる means light footwork but it doesn't mean anything So as for free translation ふっかる means outgoing easygoing very active okay ふっかる means very outgoing and ふっかる is an abbreviation of footwork が軽い Alright So the second abbreviation is 点上げ点上げ is an abbreviation of tension 上げ上げ So as for literal translation 点上げ means high tension but it sounds so creepy so truly 点上げ means full of energy very energetic getting excited okay so for example I found a very cute dog oh my god I'm getting excited it means かわいい犬見つけた点上げ okay Okay guys, the third abbreviation word is 点下げ Maybe as you imagine, 点下げ means opposite to 点上げ right? 点下げ down Okay, so as for literal translation, it means low tension but it sounds not so good and 点下げ does not mean like that so be careful 点下げ truly 点下げ means getting depressed boomers the blows okay for example 外雨降ってる点下げ it means oh my gosh it is rainy outside I'm getting depressed okay bye